You want to know what the most underrated, highest paying side hustle is of 2023? Come on, let me show you. It's completely beginner friendly. And no, you don't have to create any products or handle any inventory or even do any customer service. And don't worry about it being saturated, because about only 5% of people are going to watch this video till the end. So if you're still here, let's get to it. This side hustle is called high ticket affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you how it works. So head on over to Google and type in high ticket affiliate programs. If you go to highpayingaffiliateprograms.com, you can see 27 of the best high ticket affiliate programs to promote in 2023. High ticket just means your commissions will be $500 and above. Let's continue. Shopify is a high ticket program and you can earn up to this much for one sale. With HubSpot, you can earn up to $1,000 per sale. Even Fiverr has a program. For an example, we're going to head on over to Fiverr and we're going to scroll all the way down here to affiliates. And you're going to want to click on affiliates to sign up. Then just fill out the application process. And just like that, you're a Fiverr affiliate. Then you're going to want to go to your Fiverr affiliates dashboard and click on sub-affiliate links. Copy your affiliate link so you can start promoting. Now I'm going to share with you one way you can promote Fiverr on social media. Here you can see how this person made $2,000 in one day just by using Fiverr as her online business. She even shares how to create a Fiverr account. You can share how to use Fiverr, how to make money on Fiverr. The opportunities are endless. You're just going to want to add your link into your bio description. She's used it in her Stand store. And this is where she'll be placing her links. So when someone signs up to use Fiverr, she'll make a commission. And if you'd like to learn about my favorite high-ticket affiliate marketing program where you can earn 10 to 20K per month, drop a comment over there. And don't forget to like and follow for more.